Hello guys and welcome to Nailist. Today I'm going to show you some very simple and easy designs for Halloween.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
So hello. Please, before we get this started, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you like my videos and if you get any help out of them. And let's get it. The first design is going to be a pumpkin. I'm starting by covering my base in a nude color. This is from Beatles. Whoops. 2 coats of that. And I'm using the orange to carve out where my pumpkin is going to be. This was a very opaque color. Now I'm going to put some black on my palette and use a very thin brush. I'm going to outline the pumpkin, put the stem and everything. Sorry for being a little out of focus here. The struggle is real. So after I finish designing all the folds, I'm gonna cure it and then I'm gonna come with a brown shade so that I can add some more dimension on it. Perfect. I'm sealing it with the shiny top coat. Coffee break. And voila. Next one. Alright, so for this one I'm going to be using a nude base again, but a little more on the pink side. I'm going to be doing a French tip. I'm really struggling with those guidelines. I think the more I practice I'll get better, so don't stop practicing. This was not looking like it was going to turn out good, but it actually did. I always have my pen to just correct any, Here I'm adding a second coat to make the white super opaque. Perfect, now I'm adding some red and I'm going to be doing a dripping blood thingy on a French tip. I'm putting some more red on the ends of the drips so that it looks more realistic. And yeah, Sealing it with the shiny top coat again. Make sure you go on both sides when it's a sample like this, because sometimes, curing it, and there you have it. Next one. So for this one, we're going to be doing a black semi-transparent background, and I'm going to put some matte top coat on it and some shiny black spider web. I did the first coat. I mixed some transparent gel and some black color, and now I'm putting the second coat on it. Oh. So I cured it and then I sealed it with a matte top coat. And that's what you have. I tried going in with this thin brush, but apparently I couldn't do it right. You'll see my struggles here, guys. So I got this bigger, not better brush, but I kind of did what I had to do here. You'll see the lines are thicker than they should be, but it turned out pretty good in the end. But I would suggest like a long, thin brush. Or maybe a spider gel would work. I'm not sure. I'm outlining the whole nail. Now I'm gonna be doing the little tiny spider web connections. And this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna cure it again. Guys, I'm in love with this. Of course, you can sugarcoat it, you can put foil on it, you can put mirror effect on it, but it just looks so good. Next one. This one is the easiest one, I think. I just put some red polish on a straw and I blew it. I blew it on the nail and it's a mess, I'm not gonna lie. But it was pretty good. I think it can work with a white background, a nude background, a black background, a mirror background. But I decided to do it with a transparent background because I find it very sexy. And here I coated it with a shiny top coat, of course, to make the blood feel real. Next one. We're starting with a white background here. And have you guessed it yet? It's a balloon. I figured that the easiest thing to do from a horror movie is the balloon from It, which is one of my favorite movies, by the way. And I just went in with my dotting tool and created a little circular oval balloon. Yeah, it kind of looks like a balloon now. Correcting everything, of course, curing. And now I'm outlining with black. This can work for this pop art trend that's happening too. We can make it look very cartoonish. A little string, correct. I'm curing and now I'm adding some white highlights. This is gonna help it pop. I'm curing again. And I'm topping it with some shiny top coat. You'll float too. I love it. And that concludes our 5 first simple and easy designs for Halloween, guys. You can see some more over here, but you're gonna see them in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like them, and I'm gonna be giving you guys more and more.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems.